Elon Musk, the billionaire tech genius known for transforming electric cars and space travel, is back in the spotlight. But this time, it's not about rockets or robots. It's about real estate. Musk's $10,000 house is finally hitting the market, and it's set to disrupt the housing industry like never before. What makes this house so revolutionary, and why is everyone buzzing about it? Let's dive into the details of Musk's game-changing tiny home that's redefining affordable living. Musk's vision for affordable living. In 2020, Musk shocked everyone by selling off his mansions, stating he wanted to downsize and focus on his mission to colonize Mars. Staying true to his word, Musk moved into a tiny, prefabricated house made by Boxable, a startup dedicated to creating affordable, sustainable housing solutions. What's jaw-dropping is the cost, around $10,000. This wasn't just a quirky lifestyle change for Musk. It was a statement that high-quality, affordable housing can be accessible to everyone, not just the elite. The Boxall Casita, tiny but mighty Musk's new home, the Boxable Casita, is a 375-square-foot marvel designed to be ultra-efficient, sustainable, and affordable. Despite its small footprint, the casita packs in a full kitchen, bathroom, living area, and bedroom. Built with advanced materials that resist fire, floods, and even hurricanes, this tiny home is not just economical but incredibly resilient. Thanks to its innovative folding design, the house can be set up in just a few hours, making it ideal for quick deployment anywhere. Now, this revolutionary concept is hitting the market, bringing Musk's vision of affordable living one step closer to reality, a game-changer for the housing crisis. Musk's $10,000 house couldn't come at a better time. With skyrocketing home prices and a growing housing crisis, this tiny home offers a revolutionary alternative. Imagine owning a home without the burden of a mortgage or long-term debt. For many, this could be a gateway to financial freedom. The casita's eco-friendly design also meets the rising demand for sustainable living, featuring energy-efficient appliances and minimal construction waste. Musk's endorsement has thrust tiny homes into the mainstream, challenging traditional housing norms and setting new standards for what's possible in affordable, sustainable living. Scaling up, challenges ahead, but turning Musk's $10,000 house into a mass-market product isn't easy. Since Musk's endorsement, Boxable has been inundated with interest, creating a waitlist with tens of thousands of eager buyers. To keep up, Boxable is ramping up production with plans to build large-scale factories capable of producing homes rapidly. The goal is to manufacture thousands of units annually and eventually lower costs even further. However, scaling up brings its own set of challenges, from sourcing materials to navigating complex regulations. Yet with Musk's backing, the dream of widespread, affordable housing feels more attainable than ever. Revolutionizing the real estate market, Musk's tiny home could ripple across the real estate industry. As consumers look for more affordable and eco-friendly options, traditional home builders may need to rethink their approach. Urban planners might also see tiny homes as a solution to housing shortages, offering flexible options for disaster relief or temporary housing. This shift could lead to new zoning laws that make it easier for innovative housing models like the casita to gain acceptance. Musk's $10,000 home isn't just a new type of house. It's a potential catalyst for broader change in how we think about housing. What's next? As the first batch of Musk's $10,000 homes prepares to hit the market, all eyes are on the results. Will this affordable home reshape the future of housing? It's too soon to say, but Musk is once again pushing the limits of what's possible. Whether it's in transportation, space, or now housing, Musk's influence continues to drive innovation. This tiny house could spark a housing revolution, making sustainable, low-cost living a reality for millions. Stay tuned, like, and subscribe to AI Imagination for more insights on the latest tech innovations shaping our world.